I'm Kayla, and I'm a registered dietitian at Wellstar Health Place. And today I want to show you how to make your own personal English muffin pizza. All right, so let's get started. So first things first, you want either a whole wheat English muffin or whole grain, some sort of English muffin that has a little nutrition, some fiber in it, and you want to give it a light toast before you put it in the oven. So you could do it in the oven or you could do it with a toaster. Just lightly toast it, not full all the way. It just gives it a little more, a little more hold. So I would do that first. And then also preheat your oven to 400. So we're gonna melt the cheese and things in that. Okay, let's start with tomato sauce. All right, give it a little stir. And honestly, with these pizzas, it can kind of be whatever you want it to be. They're just fun to do. If you like it really saucy, make it saucy. If you like it really cheesy, make it cheesy. I would say about a tablespoon on each. Personally, I like a lot of veggies on mine, so I'm definitely gonna do that. Oop, sauce is dripping. Okay. So then, we're gonna do a little layer of cheese, and I like the part skim mozzarella. So just a light layer. And then we'll add our toppings. So I think this is just personal preference. If you want to saute your vegetables beforehand, you can. It gives them a little more flavor, makes them a little softer, but if you don't mind some crunchy veggies, then you can just put them on as is. And you can pick a lot of really fun colors. You could do green pepper, red pepper, orange. We've got some mushrooms here. So that one's just gonna be like veggie. And then you can also, I really like these sliced olives. These are fun for kids because then you can make faces. I'm not a huge fan of olives, to be honest, but we'll make a face, just for fun. So you can make eyes and maybe a little mouth. So it looks like it's going, ooh. And maybe we could use the spinach to add some hair, and that would be fun. And if you want to top it off with an extra layer of cheese, yeah, go for it. Maybe I won't hide the face so much though. There we go. All right, so once you're done, you just want to put them in your pan. And then again, you're going to put them for about 10 minutes or until everything's melted and bubbly in your 400-degree oven. All right, so our pizza is done, and I think what's really funny is the way that this guy browned up, it looks like he has blush, which is really cute, and his hair is, really set to go. And then we've got this one, so they're nice and crispy and ready to eat, and that's about all for our English muffin pizzas. If you need more recipes like this, you can check out wellstarhealthplace.org or follow us on our Facebook page, Wellstar Health Place. And I hope you have a great day. Stay safe, stay happy, and be healthy.